Imagine taking a simple photo like this and converting it into a video like this, completely free. Sounds like a science fiction, right? Well, with the latest AI tools, you can bring images to life and create videos from them within few seconds. So today we are going to explore an amazing AI tool which will convert image to a video, and that's totally free. So by end of the video you'll know first which tool to use, secondly how to go about it in creating this image to video, what are the steps, what are the setups, and finally some of the use cases which you can use for your project. So whether you are a content creator, marketer, entrepreneur, or just someone who likes playing with AI, this video is for you. So we are going to use Google's Flow. So first what we'll do is we'll go to labs.google.com and you log in with your Google account. And currently Google is giving 100 monthly credits. So we are going to use some of these credits to create a video from image for free. Let's get started. So we go to create from Flow, then we go to a new project. Let's change it to frames to video. Okay, so we will upload our own image. So this is an image which I created through ChatGPT, and what I want to do is create it into a video. We'll say convert this image into video of little girl playing with this dog. Now let's give it some time and it'll create a video for us. Okay, so our video is created. Let's see how it looks. Okay, this looks nice. So it has created this image into a video. So basically you can use this feature to create an animation by yourself. So I'm also trying to create an animation with my kid, and what we are doing is we first went to ChatGPT, asked ChatGPT to create a story. um, we provided some prompt that okay, this dog story should be based on a dog. So it created a story for us, and once we had a story we asked ChatGPT to create image for each of the scene, and we asked it to create in a Ghibli style. That's why you will see these images in that style. And once you have created those image, you can bring it here and create videos from it, and then you can stitch these videos together and create your own animation. Now how do you give sound? So you can use tools like 11 Labs to give a sound. So don't go anywhere and make sure you subscribe this channel so that you can come back and refer to this video later if required. Image to a video involves AI taking this static image and converting different parts of it into a video, like blinking of eyes, having some movements, and you can also get cinematic motions around your objects. Think of it like Photoshop and After Effects combined, but all powered by AI in just few seconds. Best part is that you don't need any knowledge of coding or any heavy software or a huge subscription payment to use these things. Just upload an image, give it some prompt, and voila, you have a video created for you. You can use this for animation, some kind of advertisements, product marketing, and things like that. Now let's discuss some of the real life use cases. So content creator, they can use it to create their TikToks, Reels, just from static images. Businesses, they can convert their static images of product into videos and use it for marketing. Educators, they can use images and create explainer videos which can help their students learn better. Artists, they can use it to animate their work. Even graphic designers or animators can use this. And personal projects, if you have some old image of your family member, you can use this to create a video out of it. and save memories. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, then drop them in a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the future videos.